Dianella Polishing, we make your kitchen shine like brand new for a fraction of the cost of getting a new one. We often have customers contact us because they want to update their space. A kitchen facelift is a great alternative to a full renovation when your kitchen cupboards are structurally sound.
Don't toss the good out with the bad. At Dianella Polishing, we work with your existing kitchen and give it a whole new facelift for half the price.
You'll like Trevor's straightforward and honest approach. He'll come out and meet with you at your home and explain how a facelift can revive your kitchen. Our cabbie then comes out and takes off your doors and drawer fronts. If you want to save extra money, Trevor can show you how easy it is to do the prep work yourself.
First thing I tell all my clients is the more you do, the cheaper it gets. It only takes me 5 minutes to explain to you how to take the doors and drawers off, and it's going to save you a lot of money. The time it takes depends on how many doors and drawers you have. This typically takes around 4 hours.
Once you're ready and they are off, we will come around and pick them up. They will get sanded back and prepared for painting in our specialised Wangara factory before we finally apply the brand new finish. In roughly 2 weeks, you'll have your newly painted kitchen delivered back to you, ready to be reassembled.
At Dianella Polishing, we got you covered. If you've got a Formica kitchen, a vinyl wrap kitchen, or even a timber kitchen, we can paint it or even match the same colour and make it look brand new again.